Hey, it's Glenn. I just want to take you through how you can use ChatGPT or your favorite LLM to quickly take some content or some copy and turn it into a newsletter. So you can see here is that formatting this copy for an email newsletter for Duncan Flooring, add a space for an image for the person they are introducing. So that's my prompt. And what I did here is I took the copy that they sent me, which was quickly typed out in an email sent to me, and I just put it in here, right? Now, that came out to this nicely formatted version, which is pretty cool. I quite like it. Then I said, actually, I want to call it a winter publication because it's winter over here, and I'm going to do for a year. So I'll probably put some C kind of idea behind it. Here we go. It's formatting a bit more. Now, one thing about ChatGPT is it adds these lines in it, which to me are good in some ways because they separate out your content and your sections, but you always need to basically delete them. So the next part here is I was like, what is this loba invisible? I couldn't find it in the copy. So what it is, the two components like water-based finish, right? So I was quickly able to find, okay, here's what it's all about. And that gave me some ideas for some extra copy or some images that I need to add in. I asked it to generate a specific size of placeholder because we didn't have the photo for Ivan just yet. And then I took it into Grammarly. And this is where we start really cleaning up the copy, right? This is where, I spend a lot of time is actually making sure that, it actually reads like a proper human. It doesn't use words that no one understands or uses in everyday language. And I can really start cleaning it up, right? Then it gets sent over to, and he'll start building an email. So this is the finished newsletter right here, actually. So you can see I've got a template. This is a website menu-based template. It's been around for like 75 years. Pretty amazing. Got services, found some better images of Loba from out of their showroom. A quote that links through. We've got Ivan now. We've formatted it all. So that's the newsletter now. And it was a quick way on how you can take some copy that somebody emailed to you, use ChatGPT to clean it up, use Grammarly to make it look better and read properly, and then create a newsletter. This one's loaded in MailChimp. So yeah, it's ready to go.